Hi there, it's Tom Pullen, and in this video I'm going to quickly share with you 4 tips on how to follow up effectively after your innovation workshop. Let's go! Tip number 1, share outputs promptly. The energy and enthusiasm on an innovation project can drop very quickly after a workshop, so share the outputs promptly, ideally within 1 week. Tip number 2, ask for feedback. Feedback is a really powerful tool for making sure that your innovation workshops get more effective every single time. And make sure that you always ask what could be done better, because that's the most powerful feedback of it all. Tip number 3, implement agreed actions. I know this is obvious, but the value doesn't come from the workshop itself, it comes from the actions that you take afterwards. So make sure that you follow through with everything that was committed to. Tip number 4, keep communication going. There's nothing worse on an innovation project than when people don't talk about it anymore, quite simply because people assume that the project has died. So make sure that you keep the communication open with your workshop participants, but also with your other stakeholders. So those are my 4 top tips for how to follow up effectively after your innovation workshop. And feel free to share your tips in the comments down below. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you've learned something. If you have, please give it a like and feel free to subscribe to this channel for future innovation videos. Thanks a lot for your support and see you soon.